Hey, hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again, it's your boy. So, if you're looking for how to save images from Twitter account, then this video is for you. I think if you are new, then this video will help you. And if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you don't want to miss out on any video, firstly, I wanna tell you, after subscribe my channel, then start the video. So let's get started with the video. First, go to Twitter apps, and downloading is so easy on a Twitter, and Twitter is the best platform nowadays. First, go to any images and press a long time on images, and when image will open, then you will see three dot icon, then click on three dot, then you will see save option. Then if you click on save option, then Twitter will show you allow option. If you click allows, then this photo will be saved on your storage, then give access to Twitter, then image will be saved. I hope you guys get understand our video, and if you like our video, then comment below down, and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.